Well, today I'm taking my boy, my handsome boy, Dakota, to get a bath because he is disgusting. Left Carson at home for this one. And my new favorite place to go for dog stuff, Dog Supplies Outlet here in Las Vegas. Where are we, jerk? He's scared to go in here. Come on, jerk. Come here. Uh-oh. That's torture. Come here. Quit. He already knows. Quit it. Quit being a jerk. Come here. You are filthy. I brought my own shampoo, but now that he's calmed down a little bit, I can use their shampoo. Facial brightener. Ooh, he needs that. You are looking yellow and you stink. You stink. Yellow and you stink. Earth Bath Vanilla Almond Conditioner. And 2-in-1 Papaya Coconut. You stink like a dog. So handsome though. I really love this place. Dakota, stay. Wash is done. You don't look so yellow. You don't look so yellow anymore. Now, it's blower time. Dakota, you look so poofy. You look so poofy now. You're clean and poofy. We got chicken feet. My guys love these. Pig ears. Hey, be nice. What you doing? Stop it. Oh my goodness. Overall, great experience. Bought some chicken feet for these guys, my pooper scooper, and some food. And I got Dakota a bath, so everything was a win. Love this place. Did you miss him, Carson? Did you miss him? Look how clean he is now. Sit. Dakota first. Dakota first. Gentle. Good boy. Gentle. That wasn't gentle, jerk. Good boy. Dakota, you're so clean. You're so clean.